Hello, welcome you all once again. In this lecture, we are going to discuss how productivity can lead a family to prosperity and productivity in industry can lead a nation to prosperity. So we are going to study productivity prosperity cycle. That is very interesting and a very useful concept in industrial engineering. Productivity is defined as a higher rate of production. So in an industry, a higher rate of production lead an industry to enhance wages of their employees. So if an industry have higher rate of production, means they have higher profit, and their profit will be divided into their employees. So wages of employees will be enhanced by higher rate of production or higher profit. This enhanced wages lead an industry to provide training to their employee, so they can develop more, they can contribute more on higher rate of to contribute more on producing product at higher rate and with good quality. So they will provide training to the employee with enhanced wages. Trained employee will have a better career prospects because training provide to enhance their skills in their field. So training will lead them to better career prospects. They will have more skill and can contribute more in industry, so they can be absorbed in a market at good position. So training provide them better career prospects. Better career prospect will lead their family to a better living standard. Facility and purchasing power of an employee will be increased, and hence living standard of an employee will be improved one. Then this better living standard will lead their family to a prosperity. If we have a more facility, we have enough facility, then we can say that our family is prosperous enough. And this prosperity in a family will lead them to purchase more facility. So purchasing power of a family will be increased. When purchasing power is increased, there will be more industry to invest in various facilities that can be acquired by or that can be purchased by a family. So more industries will lead more employment in that particular region. Suppose if purchasing power of Rajkot region will be increased, and there are many families have a prosperity and they purchase more goods, then there will be more multiplexes, more shopping malls, more amenities, facility, grocery stores. So more industry will invest in Rajkot region, and that will lead more employment in Rajkot region. When employment rate is increased, government and social structure will be improved one. There will be better social amenities also in that region. Better social amenities will lead to more taxation rate, purchasing power, and more employment and more industries, and better social amenities will lead to a nation with a more tax collection, and that more tax collection will increase the wealth of that nation. So there will be increased national wealth, and this if national wealth is increased, then government will develop better infrastructure. Government will improve their infrastructure, and road, rail, electricity, and that will lead an industry to have a better resources. They will have a more technological advancement. Government will put more effort on technological advancement, and that will lead an industry to have a better resources, and this better utilization of resources again lead an industry to have a higher rate of production. So productivity will be increased by increasing national wealth. If a person or a family have a more purchasing power, and there will be a continuous cycle where all families can be developed as a prosperous family, and that will lead a nation to a wealthy nation, more developed nation, and more developed nation will invest in development of resources, development in infrastructure, and infrastructure development will have a better utilization of resources, and that will lead an industry to have a more technological advancement and will lead to a higher rate of production, and production quality is increased by this cycle. So that is all from this lecture. If you have any doubt, you can comment in comment section. Thank you very much for joining with me.